Get jamming on me.
I'm that ride that you get on, headed off the track. First class seat on the ground, girl. Then we recycle back. 'Cause I know what all our fans need. Hard Knocks loves Derby. I got lipstick stamps on my helmet. There's quite a few, you see. Skate around the world, don't speak the language, but you're black and don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is when you talk Derby to me. Talk Derby to me. Talk Derby to me. Talk Derby to me. Get jamming on me.
Cheer on your Hard Knocks Roller Girls this season downtown at the Civic Coliseum. For this season's schedule, skater bios, and much, much more, visit www.hardknocksrollergirls.com.